Hi friends! Welcome to our channel. This is Krishna and I'm here with my little sister,
Gianna.
Yeah. As you've seen on the thumbnail, or as you see now, me and my sister have drawn
We draw a bee.
we drew a bee. And you had a lot of fun doing it too, right?
Yeah, but the bee, look at this. I feel tired now.
If you would like to draw this bee, then you can watch our video and you can learn how to draw the bee.
Yeah, but there's no videos of the bee. I cannot find it.
Make sure if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe.
Yeah.
Okay. First, we're gonna make a big oval shape on our paper. So
I'm big.
we're gonna do like a big oval there, okay? Perfect.
It looks like a cat. It
Now,
looks like Cammy's cat.
okay. Now we're gonna make one bump here. And another bump here. Now we're gonna add two antennas. Do you know what antennas are? Antennas are basically the bee's ear. We're gonna make one line up. Yeah, that kind. A little circle.
Remember, bees got no black ones, and bees got yellow ones and black ones too.
Yeah. We're gonna make another antenna here. Make another circle.
I think I'll color this yellow like cat.
Now we're gonna make one curvy line here.
I want to reveal here.
Here to here. Great job. Now we're gonna
These
make...
got so many stripes.
Yeah, they do. We're gonna make one oval here.
I like to make oval.
Do you know what these are?
Ovals.
No, do you know what body part it is? It's an eye. Then we're gonna
I
make
don't know how to make
a little smile. That's a big smile. Okay. What's that? Is that teeth?
Yeah, it's Rocky.
Now we're gonna make another oval inside of that.
Color?
No, we're gonna color in this part. Bees have black eyes.
It's saying I'm so tired.
Now we're gonna make one line coming from there and another one here. Not too tiny. Make it a little bit bigger. So make that big, make that big. Yeah, from there. Okay, great job.
What is that?
Then we'll do the same thing on the other side. Those are legs.
These two long legs.
Yes, they do.
The two?
Make that a bit longer.
They're so big.
Because you made your bee big, so you need to make the legs big too. Now, we're gonna make the bee's stinger. Do you know what a stinger is?
Yeah.
You know when bees sting you, it hurts a lot. We're gonna make that part. We're gonna
No,
make...
I'll tell you how. When you sting somebody, then it hurts so much. And
I know.
Then you need to go to the hospital.
Yeah.
And then you can come back home again.
Now, we're gonna make a triangle. We're gonna make one line coming down. Oh, you just made the triangle?
Yeah.
We're gonna color in that pointer.
We always color it. I made a line by now I colored it.
Great job. Now, we're gonna make the bee's stripes. So we're gonna make one stripe here. Another stripe here. Another stripe here.
Done.
Another one here.
I'm done.
Make one there. and then so on.
I'm done.
Make another stripe here because that stripe's too big.
I like to make stripes. I like to make stripes.
Now we're gonna make the inside of the wings. We're gonna make one line there and another one here. Now we're gonna make a flower. Bees really like flowers.
Yeah, they like to eat flowers.
So we're gonna make a tiny.
I make so much flowers.
So we're gonna make one flower here. We're gonna make a circle over here. And then, yeah, we're gonna make the stem and petals. Now we're gonna make a leaf. We're gonna make one here. And then we're gonna make another flower here. One stem, one circle, and then the petals. Gianna already knows how to draw flowers, right?
Yeah.
You love drawing flowers.
But when I was 3 years old, I didn't know how to make flowers.
But now you do.
Just make that.
Okay. Now we're gonna add little zigzag lines for grass. The bee's flying really high, so everything below it, it's tiny. Now you're done. And if you want, you can add the sun here.
The buds are big.
Great job. Now we're done.
Yay.
But now it's your favorite part. It's time to... Yeah. So
Yes.
we're gonna fast forward this part. If you need to pause the video, you can pause the video and catch up on our drawing.
Yeah.
Let's begin.